bakit sinabi ni Harry Roque na mayroong gentleman agreement at yan na ginagawang issue ni PBBM, Mayor?
Harry Roque joined my administration almost halfway na. Ang si Panelo ang nandoon. Wala si Harry Roque. He was not there because he was not part of the government delegation. So, wala ho akong maisagot dyan about Harry Roque. Ask him again. Kung may agreement man kami ni President Xi Jinping, walang secret agreement yan. We agree. Then after that, yung agreement namin, isasabi namin sa mga tao, foreign affairs particularly, to verbalize everything that is been said in whisper.